Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I have a Dacor microwave. I'm working on it. This microwave does not heat, the turntable tray is not turning, and I will open this. I got my magic glass. If the microwave works, it will light up very red, and then that way I know that the microwave is working. I also have half a glass of water to test if it's working or not. I will have both of these inside of the microwave and I'll run it. As you can see inside of the microwave, the magic glass is not lighting up, and if it's not lighting up, that means that it's not heating. So I'm sure that the glass of the water is also warm, cold here. It's not warm. I ran it for about 30 seconds. The water is still cold and I did not see any bright red glass.
Oh boy, it doesn't take very long.
No, it shows if it's heating. In order to take the microwave down, we have 4 Phillips screws, 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom. We will take these out first. So the trim piece I have, it comes in 4 pieces. It's a little bit trickier compared to the regular microwaves. I took those trim pieces out and now I'm gonna have to take the microwave down. I have got my blanket here to make sure I don't scratch the countertop or the island here, and then I can take the microwave down and work on it here. There's 2 screws on each side of the microwave that I need to take out. Remember these brackets, when you take them out, put a line on the top and on the side and then write on 1. And then when you take the other side out, you may want to write number 2 or left or right, so that way you will not mix it up. Next part we have is all of these screws on the side. And I got these 3 screws, I'll take them out. And now we got these 2 special screws. They're called security Torx. So the security Torx we're using these are the ones. The Torx, regular Torx, are the one that does not have any hole at the center, and the securities are the one that has a small hole at the center. And with that we can take these off. And this is going to be number 20, T20. And now that all the screws are out, we can lift it up a little bit and then pull it towards the back. Okay, so we will be focusing here. We're gonna need a needle nose plier. I got these 2 needle nose pliers. You can use a needle nose plier to discharge the capacitor. I'm gonna use this a small one. I don't want to use this one, but there is something going on with this, why I don't use it. If you know what why I'm not using this, you can write down on the comment below that why I should use this and not this one. So I'll put this needle nose plier on the side and I'll discharge the capacitor by touching these two pins on the capacitor, going back and forth. Always discharge your capacitor before you work on it to be safe. Otherwise, it's very dangerous. You do not want to work on a microwave that the capacitor is not discharged. Discharge it 2 or 3 times just to be safe, and then you can put your pliers back in. When the microwave turntable tray doesn't turn and it's not heating, usually it's the switches, the micro switches that located by the door closures are the main problem. So every time we open and close the door, it engages in switches. This is a micro switch, another micro switch, and another micro switch. I've got my multimeter, and I'll use it to check continuity with the beep on. And in order to check these switches, I have to disconnect one of the wires. I'll disconnect the bottom one, and then with these probes, I will check one from the top, another one to the bottom. Check continuity. The door is open. I do not have any continuity. When I close the door, I should have continuity. Okay, so that switch is the problem. No, actually it's working. Continuity. When I open the door, I should not have any continuity. Yeah, so that switch is okay. I'll reconnect it back in, and I'll move on to the next one. The next switch we have is that bottom one. I will disconnect one of the wires. We got 2 pins, one is here, another one is there. We'll check for continuity. Nothing. We have no continuity, nothing. And I'll open the door. I should have continuity. I have continuity, it's okay. And now we are gonna move on to the next one on the top. I got continuity. So door was closed, I had continuity. When I open the door, I should not have any continuity. Okay, so all the switches are okay. So this pin was almost broken. I'll make a new one and test it again. I've got this new connector, and I will replace this one. Okay, I made a new connector. I'll reconnect it back in. So the whole problem was here, this micro switch. As you can see, when I did some testing, I thought it's the control board, and I kind of confirmed it by testing everything at the end. Before I put everything back together, I double checked the switch. I was still getting good reading, so I just decided to replace it without even doing anything else. I replaced the switch, And the reason I think it was working on and off was because there was a little bit of grease over there I saw on the door hook when you open the door. Over there, closer to the hook area, I saw a little bit of grease, but I honestly don't know if it has anything to do with that or not. This switch tested okay, but it's still not working. So I replaced it, and it looks like the microwave is working now. So water, my magic glass is there. I'm gonna close it. I will turn off one of my lights too here, so you can see. Okay, the microwave is working, it's heating. So I'm just gonna finish my video because everything is open apart here. The microwave is fixed. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share it with others. Thank you.
Is that the magic glass that you put?
Yeah.
Oh boy, it doesn't take very long.
No, it shows if it's heating.
And is the glass hot too?
No, it doesn't get hot, no.